In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Alpha 1.0.16_2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can officially download and play the alpha versions of Minecraft, including 1.0.16. So, to download this version through the official launcher, you will have to go over to the Installations tab. So, to check if you have access to the old versions, go to Installations, click on New Installation, and now under the version, look for Alpha or Beta. Now, if you don't see any results here and this list is empty, don't worry, you simply have to change a specific setting. So go to the Settings of the launcher at the bottom left, and then under Minecraft Java Edition Settings, you will have this option here. Show historical versions of Minecraft Java Edition in the launcher. So all that you have to do is take this option, make sure that it is enabled. With this option enabled, now you can go back into the Java Edition page, Installations, New Installation, and then look for Alpha. You will see all of the releases. So they have the extremely old alphas all the way up to Alpha 1.2.6. And of course, if you look in the middle, you should be able to find old Alpha 1.0.16. You will notice that they only have 1.0.16 and not 1.0.16_2. According to all the research that I've done, the 0.2 version is essentially included in this one. So just choose this version, give the installation any name that you want, and then once it is installed, it's going to be as simple as clicking play. This will launch the game alongside this particular installation of Minecraft. So, as you can see, we now have Minecraft Alpha running. You will be able to create a world in any of these slots. I already have one because I demonstrated this in an old video, and now you are playing Minecraft Alpha. So, I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on setting up Minecraft Alpha, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.